If you think writing is just about putting words on a page, think again. I used to struggle with researching and creating content that truly resonated with my audience. It felt like I was pouring my heart into every piece, but the results just weren't there. Then I discovered the research and writing services by helpsace.com, and it changed everything for me. They're not just any research and writing agency, they're the best globally. With a team of experienced and qualified researchers and writers, they handle all my diverse research and writing needs. What I love most is their attention to detail. They create, edit, and proofread everything to ensure top-notch quality. It's like having a personal research and writing assistant who understands me and my voice. The turnaround time is impressive too. No more waiting weeks for the final draft. And the best part? They cater to diverse requirements so I can always find what I need. I was honestly blown away by how they transformed my ideas into compelling copy. If you're tired of mediocre content that doesn't connect, you need to check them out. Trust me, investing in quality research and writing is a game changer for you or your brand. So, if you want to elevate your content game, give the research and writing services at helpsace.com a try, and you will be glad you did so. Mark my words, seriously.